But long time you know me from me a dance Grand Gala. Nothing like me, because I never go in a Grand Gala yet, because I hate it. Anything we do with my nationality, me hate. Or ask anybody about me, I don't like nothing in my nationality. Ask anybody about me, one of the hardest things you could have get me for purchase. Anything Jamaican. You mad? Even when time the boy back the gun for me 4 times, 4 different times me tremble. Not even when January 1st back gun for me 4 different times me not tremble. You mad? A real boy that you know, a real bad boy that you know, him back gun for me 4 times. I say hurry up and do what you do, me have somewhere to go. Remember him never have nowhere to go, you know? Cause him don't know Jesus. Yeah, so I say hurry up and do what you do, sir. Me have somewhere to go. Yeah. 25 a bad man for true, that's why him not have no education. 25 a bad dunce bad man. Dunce bad man. Yeah. 25 never writing, I don't even think him can spell his name. Him can memorize some of the letters them. Him can memorize some of the letters. Me don't know how much consonant him I get right outside. So I ask him how much vowels name, he not even know vowels. Me say no the E, I, O. Him say him never hear that yet. But it look like he never go to school from him born. Never tremble in my life. Heard about it once.
Heard about it once or twice, but now
4 times I used still with him. Of course, I'm a man. She be a baby, you look nice. Pure only you look, say you ask me that. Me not look nice, me not bathe from last night. I saw my wear still well. My wear still well. The boy back gun for me 4 times and I never left him. I not left him. Me I do everything for the kids. And for the kids, me I keep the relationship for. Me never left the boy. Me say me drink the NSA, me attack and I feel different. That was all. Huh? Me and the boy, me I tell him about my people him over here. So 4 times the boy back it for me and him still let me love. All the boy them I take show me them thing. Them show me them thing, man. Them always back it for me because them see my mouth bad. And me and them argue, me in them face with and them say, hey girl, in a ramp, you know. You're not afraid. I say afraid of what? And you do me every night. And that I'm afraid of oh you do me every night, especially from all back way. And then you can't lock the door so I can't run, go downstairs or run, go next door and ask somebody to come finish the balance to me. You just lock me up in here, yeah? So what you say about mind the boy walk out for me, Renee? Renee, you're outside hard and brighty. Me have the I shall return and they ever come back. The boy knock my hole and say come back, cocoa fat. And where you depend? I can't reason with you for days in a Renee, but my crutches, it can go in a library. It would have full it up, not just a column. I owe this about suck your mama, you want to suck my mother dry up, you know. And you want to suck something fresh. Me that suck a youth. Me that suck a youth and not golden age. What you say? Can I suck you? She be can't leave me. Can I suck you? When I black him quickly, I mean him do one whole and reason because the boy go down to me nothing, I go to heal him and heal me. I want to on the skin, on the thin skinny, I want to moderator them and the whole of them barrel clothes. When I go like when I at and I pay barrel clothes moderator me. I'll tell me I tell you no say. Take pride in and still for to make my name out. Man and name me out you say. Man I do me bad. Man I do me some wicked things over on the side, yeah. I pretend, you know. I don't hear me tell you the good things, them, but I never fall like 25! 25! I hope you don't name the bread back, you know, when I leave for myself tonight. I hope you don't name the bread back. Because you just walk and name so. Not name the bread back. But you know the bread back is the favorite part of the door for me. And it's the last piece leave. Is you name the loaf. Now tell me tripe. Oh. Yes, people, hi. We have a lot of stuff inside, like oxtail. You know, because we went out and we purchased a lot of stuff. You know, no, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry today. Yeah, I'm not hungry. Oh, you mean what's a big age gap? What you mean? It's a loaf of bread in them and leave the back. Eh? Yes, my dear. 25 and 99. Hey, share, don't make a class, you nastiness, you know. Don't come repeat my age on the live. Do not come on the live and repeat my age. Order some pizza. Pizza. Even, you not even have money for throwing in your vehicle. For throwing gas in your vehicle, you have to about pizza. Auntie, oh, you now wish your nurse them happy nurse week. A nurse week after me not sick. Then if you know all of the week, them the teachers they not just gone what they me not even remember it and me a teach you know. Eh? Then oh you come at about me no wish hey I will class the nurse I not true me no want you see me road and give me a bad joke. What wrong with you? Share just a come talk about say age gap. I know you are come at about me know with your nurse week, doctor week, teacher. What kind of week it be? Injection week. Me not, lady. This month a Child's Month. I'm going to see how much I want to go wish me happy Child's Month. I'm going to see how many of you go into wish me happy Child's Month. Every time you come here, she be your man ISP there, your man ISP there, your man ISP there. So what? I'm here suck him out. Yeah, tell me about ISP there, ISP there. I want, I love him, I want argument done. Eh? Me not want to have no picnic, I'm a child. He said, where I'm a child? All armor. All armor. Them just love type for true. You know, long share type ISP, your man ISP, your man ISP. I'm a man and argument done. This cover do not send me nothing because I will coerce you. Auntie, you want to be a child and a senior citizen at the same. Hey, wanna leave me now? Leave me now, me a chat to you. Me a chat to you. So after that, if I want to be a children, discover Guana. Discover gonna make my class or you know, confused as a person. Queen Share know me I go block you. Right now me I go block you, Queen Share. I want thing with me and I'm not trouble people, you know. Yeah, right you know. Me a class discover. Yeah, breads want when it's 25 birthday, me not tell you go to pick it up and sell your friend man. I not tell you, 25 not have the birth paper. Him not have the birth paper, so him not get all I'm joke them, him not get all I'm vaccine, him not fully immunized. Yeah, me never dance Grand Gala yet, big crutches girl. Me never dance nothing in a festival yet. Me not so active when it comes to, and number one, me not so patriotic. Me never dance no festival yet. Nobody can say them see me no politician meeting, no festival, no a lie tell, nothing a lie for my big goal. But long time you know me from me a dance Grand Gala. Nothing a lie for me because me never go in a Grand Gala yet because me hate it. Anything we do with my nationality me hate. Or ask anybody about me, me not like nothing in my nationality. Ask anybody about me. One of the hardest things you could have get me for purchase. Anything Jamaican. Yeah man. Me eat everything in my nationality. Every single thing. Only man me love in my nationality. Only man. Nothing else. Only man me love in my nationality. Yeah brighty, but you see me a long time you know me from Gangala days. A long time you suck with a Grand Gala. Oh, a long time you are so cocky on the float. You're brighty. You could have bright. But you know me a long time. No, but don't lie. Rich Grandgala. Them big old girl are too enough on the app. Them big crutches girl are too enough on the app. We underneath them a chimney cause it full of wood. You can't tell me about 2006. 2006, me not do no Grand Gala, me not even do carnival. Not tell no lie for me so cocky. Not tell no lie for me. Oh, about Grand Gala, about 2006. Go suck your mama. Go suck your mother. Go suck out your mother. 2006, me had to play. 2006, me had the track and field and rehearsal. And rehearsal for play. So come with me your reason. 06. You little bit and lie. Go suck your mother. Go suck out your mother. Brawling with a fire station hose straw. Somewhere big like that. What you say? Yeah. But you know me long time for me I do Grand Gala. Me not even patriotic. Ask anybody about me. Easy, baby, go, you know. No, but I'm not lie. But you know me from 06 when me I do Grand Gala. 06 me do Bashment Granny 1. And I do track and field and rehearsal. Go suck your mother. When a little bit and lie, you can't frame me. Go frame your unwanted pick me. Them will drop out of your hole and have no last name. Because I alias you take. I want the corner league. All on your knees. Oh, here. Yeah, where the slut there? Where the slut there? She gone? Where she there? She gone? No, go away. Come back, come state where you know me from. So good, where you know me from? Nyam shit. Nyam shit, where you know me from? Yeah, where you know me from? Cause you go on like you know me. Cause after me done talk to you, me I go block you. Me I go block you. You can't know me from Franklin Town and you talk say me jump Grand Gala. Cause everybody at Franklin Town knows say me no festive them way, me no like nothing patriotic. Go suck your mother and come off of my program. You're 5 minutes of fame done. I will block you. Them not have to do it. Yeah. Suck your mother now. You take up half of my program. Yeah. We'll close the program for union shit. Yeah. Watch it. I want everybody block you, man. Yeah. Everybody block you. But you know me from Franklin Town. You know me from Franklin Town. Everybody knows I'm not patriotic. The only person I'm patriotic to a gunman. And them I taking in my body. I walk and poop speng shell. Brighty, want come interrupt me Friday? No, Renee, for true. And you know I'm an attacker because it's the second time I hear the bitch I say so. And the second time I hear she say now 2 different lives she come on. Come talk about know me from God. You don't know me so cold, me not even do carnival. Me not even do round robin. Eh? And look how they are one good lady mark. Why never go come on little from this? Me love on the ear. Me come on little from this, my babies. Me love on the I forgot some just to them here and I'ma squeeze them. The silicone. The silicone. Look how my breast them I gonna feel like Sabrina own. Sabrina own favor deadlift. Oh, me don't know who will have breast them gear. But that chest plate look used up. I love you, yeah, little more my babies. I love you guys so very much. Little more. I think I 8 years ago, you know.